Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the gold market as usual. So you can see market yesterday mostly has continued to move down, and actually, as we said recently, the fact that market wasn't able to proceed with the upward action with the good patterns that have been formed here from the major support, it's also an agreement. This has broken the short-term context, short-term scenario for immediate upward continuation. It just means that the upward action could still happen, but it probably will take some longer time to form the necessary patterns and prepare the conditions for that. So gold, as it still stands in really tight consolidation after the strong rally, as you can see, this was just a 30% retracements, very small retracement, guys. Overlapping candles and this choppy action stance that indicates kind of the retracement. This point that the strength still exists in the market. Besides, from time to time it shows really fast acceleration rallies. So you can see this fast action here and here. It was fast action, but something is still needed to push market for the major resistance and trigger the important action. So gold market is not really weak as it could seem at the first glance, but still it probably will take some more room to fluctuation and preparation for a possible next strong step. And from that standpoint, we are watching for some pattern on the intraday charts that really could become the pattern that could turn the upward, could turn prices to the upward direction again. So in general, while markets calling inside of this triangle, it will keep the chances on upward continuation. At the same time, yesterday, guys, and you can see reaction on Donald Trump's speech that has initiated the new spiral of tariffs on the China, so for the 100 billions more. He's given the order to start and to take a look at opportunity for the new tariffs. Its reaction was really muted in the market. So it really could be valuable when you have heard that for the first time. It could be valuable when you see the opposite statement for the first time, that China and the United States shows the willingness for probable negotiations on the tariff subjects that we saw 2 days ago. And that logically has led to fast action up and the same fast action down, right? But when you start to hear about this day by day and the officials make the opposite statements, the reaction, market becomes tired from that, and reaction will become smaller and smaller. In fact, it will lead to the moment where market will just wait for the real steps. The market will not continue to listen what representatives tell. The markets will just wait for the real steps, and then it will show the fast reaction and strong reaction on that, on the real steps. It seems that we're going to something of that sort, because yesterday, although the new tariffs have been announced, it's called minor retracement on intraday charts, and actually market has dropped further later and closed with the negative area. So today, guys, mostly I think that traders will be watching for a non-farm payroll release, which promised to be good, at least due to the ADP report that we've got. That's why our analysis mostly here stands the same. We do not see any reasons to change it right now. We are watching for 13.12, 13.13 area around this trend line. That could give us the pattern that we have talked about recently. This is got to still buy. Also, guys, take a look. In a few hours ago, with this drop, market has formed also bearish grabber. This grabber suggests that these lows should be taken out. That's why I think that currently we still should be focused on this target. Maybe it will be hit even today, depending on what non-farm payrolls runs we will get. So On the hourly chart, guys, actually we haven't got any really nothing interesting. Market right now has completed COP target of the same hour ABCD's minor 618 extension. It has shown reaction up. It coincides with the announcement of the new tariffs by the Donald Trump. This was the 3-8 retracement here, guys. But yesterday, unfortunately, we haven't got the Brent body because this retracement was too small. Here we probably could talk on some kind of the even double repo buy, but you can see it has reached mostly just the 3-8 retracement, not even 50% the minimum target. Now it's gold is dropping further. Currently, guys, I do not see any more opportunity for taking the short position. Maybe market could form a kind of the godly, maybe A, B, C, D pattern or something of that sort, but I'm not sure that this will happen. Mostly due to the price behavior that we see right now on the 4-hour time frame chart, on the daily chart. As we said, on the 4-hour time frame chart, we have the bearish grabber, suggests the taking out of these lows. So in the current circumstances, reaction on the just minor extension, the 3-8 retracement looks sufficient. So that's why it seems that more probable that market could continue, really could continue move lower, especially as we will come closer to the moment of the release of the non-farm payrolls.